Mastering music, dive into tuba lessons. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and context behind the phrase, tuba lessons. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Before we dive into lessons, let's talk about the tuba. It's the largest and lowest-pitched musical instrument in the brass family. With its deep and powerful sound, the tuba is a cornerstone in orchestras and bands. Now, what exactly are tuba lessons? Simply put, they are instructional sessions where students learn to play the tuba. These lessons cover everything from basic notes to complex music pieces, and they are suitable for all levels, from beginners to advanced players. Taking tuba lessons can be highly beneficial. They not only enhance your musical skills but also improve cognitive abilities, time management, and discipline. Plus, playing the tuba can be a deeply rewarding and enjoyable experience. Choosing the right instructor is crucial. A good teacher will not only have expertise in playing the tuba but also the patience and skill to teach effectively. They can tailor lessons to fit the student's pace and learning style. Like learning any instrument, mastering the tuba requires practice. Regular practice is essential to improve and to understand the nuances of the instrument. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. We hope this video has shed light on tuba lessons and inspired you to appreciate the art of playing this grand instrument. If you're considering taking up the tuba, we say go for it. Happy learning, and as always, keep practicing.